daughters who are sitting somewhere in the back there, Anaís and Isabel. Oh, Isabel is right here. She's a photographer. And my brother-in-law, Guy Lawrence, is also here. So I want to thank them for all their support. This is an opportunity to welcome everybody. We wanted to have an event that would bring everybody to our new headquarters. You know, last year we ran our campaign from my home, so I'm very excited to have this space this time around. And we wanted to bring our current volunteers and supporters and our prospective volunteers and supporters together to show where we are going to be running the campaign, to sign you up because we really need to hit the ground running. So this is not a formal announcement event. It's more welcome. This is our place. Please sign up and let's go and win this race. So I thank you for taking the time. We have some amazing people with us this afternoon, and I'm very grateful. I see that we have Councilwoman Valerie Urban, who's a good friend of mine. Dear friend George Leventhal, past president of the county council. Our elected president of the board, Shirley Bradman. We have been an amazing board.